Hold the gantry steady over section 3.
Confirmed. Lowering the component into staging. Verify the gold connectors are fully seated before we close this section.
Confirmed. All lines secured.
A web of high-pressure stainless steel hydraulic lines is threaded through the midsection, snapped into precision clips by automated machines.
The turbine blades look good on this side.
Confirmed. We'll start de-wrapping the casing now.
All right, slowly lowering the assembly now. Watch your clearance on the left.
Clear on this side. Steady, steady.
It's seated. Panels are locked in.
The robot begins applying the base coat of radar-absorbent material, transforming the jet's surface into a non-reflective shadow.
Gross weight 29,000, center of gravity 25.2%.
Copy that. Data entered.
Comm line is hot, O2 connected. Roger that. Initiating flow test now.
Cruising at 40,000 feet, the F-117's unique faceted design minimizes radar signature, rendering it virtually invisible.
As we rotate the engine manually, the borescope reveals pristine, high-pressure turbine blades. Everything looks nominal.
Approaching zero gap on the starboard side.
Holding alignment now.
Start the torque sequence on the primary bolts.
The fuel system leak check confirms a perfect seal. No fluorescent tracers are visible under the UV light. This chemical treatment prevents fogging and ensures the canopy remains perfectly transparent, even in high humidity.
health monitor shows nominal, no errors logged during the flight.
Excellent. She held up well.
We're cleaning the fine wire mesh screen over the FlyR turret. Even a small piece of debris could affect the sensor's accuracy.
Alignment confirmed.
Pins locked.
Double check complete. Green status.
Initiating dimming sequence.
Displays are dimming. Checking levels.
Levels check complete. Restoring brightness.
Gear indicators show green, down and locked.
Pressure levels stabilizing nominal. Blowdown test successful.
The gauge remains perfectly steady at 25,000 feet simulated altitude, confirming there are no leaks in the critical air data system.
Brakes engaged, maximum pressure applied. We are holding the center line.
Data link established. Initiating playback sequence. Watch the pitch trajectory at the 4-minute mark.
The dye is sprayed on and then meticulously wiped away. Crucially, no colored lines remain.
In a process that takes several weeks, the aircraft is completely disassembled, inspected, and then rebuilt with upgraded components.
Verify the flaps position next, then move to the emergency bus tie.
Flaps verified, moving to the bus tie.
Hold altitude, stabilize your approach, you're drifting left.
Correcting, steadying now.
Hydraulics checked.
Panels secure, Captain.
Weapons armed, ready for launch.